Want to know how to amplify your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, amplifying your audio is super easy in Audacity. So just simply towards file and import any audio that you like. Just simply select import and import any audio. And now once you've done that, just double click to select the entire audio. And now once you selected the entire audio, hit towards effect right here. And now once you've selected effect here, you should be seeing volume and compression. And now select amplify, that should be on top right here. Now once you've selected amplify, here you should be seeing your amplification decibels. So what you can do is make sure you can check or uncheck auto clipping accordingly. But if you uncheck auto clipping and increase your volume, you can't do that. So you can just simply decrease the volume or increase the volume as you like, and then select apply right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you add amplification to your audio. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.